To hide tile cut imperfections, use a controlled caulk line that intentionally covers the exposed cuts and creates a neat visual edge. Start by prepping the joint by cleaning all dust and soap residue with isopropyl alcohol and let it dry completely so the caulk bonds well. Use painter tape placed slightly above the tile cut so the caulk overlaps the imperfection while keeping the line straight. Press the tape edge firmly to prevent bleed. Choose a high-quality silicone or silicone hybrid caulk matched to the grout color and check its sag resistance so it will stay put when you widen the bead slightly to cover gaps. Load a cartridge into a steady caulk gun and apply with a consistent forward motion, keeping the nozzle at a shallow angle and moving at an even pace to maintain uniform width. After applying, wet a flexible finishing tool or a gloved finger with soapy water and smooth the bead in one continuous pass, removing excess toward the area you want hidden rather than away from it. Pull tape immediately after tooling while the caulk is still wet to get a crisp edge, and let the caulk cure undisturbed for the manufacturer recommended time before exposing to moisture. Common mistakes include placing tape too low, which leaves cuts exposed, so move the tape up a hair and widen the bead just enough to cover the flaw without creating a bulky joint. Another issue is inconsistent bead width causing a patchy look, so keep a steady gun speed and use a guide like a straight edge or a consistent nozzle angle to maintain uniformity. Finally, using the wrong caulk or not smoothing properly can leave gaps or ridges, so pick a non-shrinking product rated for tile areas and tool it immediately with soapy water to seat the caulk into the joint. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and shows project examples that make choosing finishes easier for aesthetic work like caulking. We also host a discussion community where we and other users share practical tips, recommended materials, and contractor experiences so contractors can find work and homeowners can make informed choices.